the next little tip, and it's inspired by a hallway and a closet, if we can get that picture. So this is a self-adhesive wallpaper. So this hallway was like this weird, honestly kind of creepy hallway. It was dark, there's no windows. It was the hallway that goes to a bedroom in a different part of the house.
I gotcha.
And so I wanted people to actually get excited.
You said it's broken up.
Yeah,
right,
I wanted people to get excited about going this hall instead of creepy. So what I did was I did wallpaper, and this is the closet in the primary bedroom. Most people don't think of putting wallpaper in a closet, but I love putting wallpaper in a closet because it just adds that little cool moment. Like you pull your clothes apart and you're like, oh, there's that cute wallpaper. Right? You're
like it's your little friend.
Oh, there it is.
You know, I really understand this because I try and explain occasionally, because I design furniture too, but most people just know me for cooking.
I've heard that.
No, but most people just know me from cooking. So they're always surprised that I'm into design at all. And one of the things I do all the time is I try and explain, I like my house to feel like it's alive when I'm not in it.
Yes.
And that's the kind of thing you're talking
Yes.
about. When you have that little surprise moment, it's because when you pull something aside,
you know,
and you go, oh, look, up, go.
Having spent, most of my adolescence in the closet, I understand the importance of making sure it's cute, You gotta keep it cute in there. So these self-adhesive wallpapers are great because you don't have to hire an installer, because if it's regular wallpaper, you should hire an installer. It's a lot. So they just pull off like that. And I always like to get my little squeegee.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Any bubbles. And you just put it on. Thank you. There you go. And that's how easy it is. Just smooth it back. And then another great tip that I like to use is wallpaper isn't just for walls. You can actually use it to be a great backing for
Isn't that cool?
case. There we go, a little double stick tape. And then you've got a nice little drama there. Boop, you can put your little stuff there. That's perfect.
Ta-da!
Ta-da, ta-da.